Before we proceed on modeling, I forgot some sketch here. So I will select and edit sketch. I will add a center point arc. So from here to here, it doesn't matter which one I can. So for the radius, this is 25 mm. Then I will constrain this line to this endpoint to this line, and this should be tangent to this line. Again, for this one, select, and this one should be tangent. Then exit the sketch. So let us proceed on modeling. First, I will show you the Loft boss command. So I will select the 3D sketch, convert entities, select these 4 lines, and press OK. Then exit the sketch. Then from the midplane, select sketch and convert entity and select the inside circle and click OK. Exit the sketch. Then we will hide temporarily for the other sketches so that it will be clearer. Before that, I will edit we will make the corners round. So with 25 mm, select the corners and click OK. Exit the sketch. Click OK. Now, if we use the Loft command, click Loft. Now select these two profiles. As you can see, the transition between the circular and rectangular is not the desired corners. If you can see from the finished drawing, it has a smooth corners. So, meaning the Loft command is not suitable for this model. The explanation for that is, first I will delete, because the rectangle has 4 sides, while the circle, it has only one. To have a good result in Loft, the sides should be equal. So definitely Loft command is not applicable to this model. So I will delete this. So we will try another command. So this time I will use the loft command or boundary, but for loft we will use 4 sides. So to do that, I will select the 3D sketch, select the convert entities, then select this rectangle and the square. So click OK, click sketch, accept the sketch. We'll hide this sketches so that it will be clearer. So we can use these two commands. It's up to you which one you like to use, but in this example I will use the boundary command. So we will select boundary, select these two profile, select, then the result will be the same if we will use loft. So to do that, I will show you. I will delete first, then select the loft, select the first profile and the second profile. So the result is the same. Then I will show again. I will select the 3D sketch, convert entities, and select this and a small arc. First, we'll hide these sketches. Then we'll trim. Sorry, we will trim and click OK. Accept the sketch, and I will use a again loft cut, lofted cut and boundary cut will give you the same result. But in this case, I will use the boundary cut. So I select the first profile, second profile, and click OK. The next step is to mirror this feature to the left side and the bottom side. So I will select the right plane, select mirror from the feature tree, select mirror, then select the feature, click OK, then select the top plane, select again the mirror command, then select the feature, click OK. Before we proceed, let us try to check if this model will not generate errors. So let us try to change dimensions. So for this one, let us say we will change to 500, and this one we will change to 300, and this one let us say we'll change to 350. and this one is 500. So there were no errors. So let us revert to its original dimensions. So this is 400, this is 200, and this one is 200. So let us proceed. I will unhide the sketches. We'll now draw a cylinder from this face up to this vertex. So from mid plane or from this plane, select this plane, create sketch, then select on the open area, then click convert entities and select the inside circle. Click OK. Then exit the sketch. Now the sketch is active because it is highlighted. You can click directly the extrude boost command. Now the end condition should be up to vertex. Select any of these vertex. So select this one and make sure it is merged, meaning this solid will be joined to the main body. So click merge, click OK. Now again let us hide. The next step is to fillet this edge. Let us fillet this to 30 mm. Then the next one is to make a thickness of 5 millimeter of this body. So click shell, KN 5 mm, then shell outward and show preview. Now for the faces to remove, select this face and this face. Click OK. Now we have 5 millimeter thickness of the body. The next step is to make a flange. So unhide the pipe sketch, then select the M pipe plane, create a sketch, then convert entities for the outside flange and the inside circle. Click OK, then hide this sketch and exit the sketch and hide the plan sketch. Then we will extrude this one and join to this body. So first pre-select the sketch 7, extrude, reverse direction, then the in condition is up to the vertex. Change the view to plan view and select this vertex and click merge, meaning this will be joined to the main body. Click OK. back to isometric, then show the in-pipe sketch. Now we will create a hole. Diameter of hole is 12 mm. So select drill size down to 12 mm. Now the end condition, you can choose light or up to next. Up to next meaning if this is the face where we put the hole, the next face should be the back face of this flange. That is the meaning. Okay. Next is to copy or pattern, circular pattern this hole. Uh, the number of holes is 8 and the direction, select the outer cylindrical face. So now suppose we want to change again the end condition is not correct, so let us edit the hole. This up to next, click OK. So it is now through hole. So suppose we want to change the number of holes, let's say 12 numbers. Now this angle should change to make these two holes symmetrical to these vertical lines. To correct that, we will change the dimension. This dimension, this is for the, if you remember, we made an equation. This is 360 divided by 8 divided by 2. But this time, the number of holes is 12. So we'll change this to 12. Click update, rebuild, and click OK. Now because every time we change the number of holes, we will change the dimension accordingly. So to make it automatic, go to the equation, scroll down this. So this equation, we will replace the 12 with this name, dimension name. So select and divide by 2, press enter. It means if we change, it will automatically change the angle. So if we press enter and press OK, it will be automatically symmetrical to the center line. So the next step is to fillet this edge. We will fillet this to 10 mm. Click OK. The next step is to draw the flange. So I will show the sketch. So to do that, go to the MREC plane, select sketch, then convert the entity. Select the 4 lines. Click OK. Exit the sketch and let us hide these sketches. The next is to extrude this one, this rectangle. So select sketch 10, click extrude boss. The thickness, the end condition is up to vertex. Show the implant sketch. Select, right click and select the eye icon. Select the plan and select this vertex. Do not merge yet. So click OK. I will hide this one. Now we will cut this portion. So the command is indent. Select target, this flange, and the tall body, this one, and click cut. It means the interfering solid of these two bodies is shown in this preview, the yellow color. So meaning this yellow color will be removed from the flange body. So click OK and we will delete that body. This time we will join this by combine. Make sure the add is selected and bodies to combine, this body and this body. Again, this body and this body. 1 minute. Sorry, this indent, it has an offset. This offset should be 0. So okay. So combine this body, then I will fill it this edge and this edge with 3 mm radius. Okay, for this fillet here, we can copy this fillet, select Ctrl C, select the edge, Ctrl V. Now let us make holes. So display the sketch. We can copy this hole. So select Ctrl C, select the face, Ctrl V. Just delete. Now all we have to do is edit the sketch. Select this blue, drag it to this point. Then exit the sketch, and a hole was made. So let us pattern using the sketch driven pattern. So select the sketch and select the hole and click OK. Now aside that one, and the next step is to add material. Select, and this is a glass fiber. Now let us save this as transition. Transition.